Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Chainsaw Chaps is probably one of the most essential pieces of safety gear for anyone operating a chainsaw, whether you're a professional logger, a homeowner tackling yard work, or a hobbyist carving wood. These protective leg coverings are designed to significantly reduce the risk of severe injury in the event of accidental contact with the moving chain, acting as a crucial barrier between your legs and the sharp, high-speed teeth. Investing in a quality pair of chainsaw chaps isn't just about compliance with safety standards, it's about prioritizing your well-being and ensuring you can continue your work with confidence and peace of mind, knowing you have an extra layer of defense against potential accidents. Number 5. Forester Chainsaw Chaps. Introducing the Forester Chainsaw Chaps, designed for both men and women. Experience reliable protection with these essential safety chaps. These apron-style chaps offer a comfortable and secure fit. They are designed to provide comprehensive coverage when you need it most. A handy pocket is integrated into the design for easy storage of small tools or personal items. Keep your essentials close at hand. The adjustable waist ensures a personalized and snug fit for various body types. Enjoy maximum comfort and security during use. Prioritize your safety with this high-quality chainsaw safety equipment. These chaps are a crucial addition to your protective gear. Crafted for durability, these chaps are built to withstand demanding work environments. Trust in their reliable performance for your peace of mind. What we like. These offer a convenient apron-style design for easy on and off. They feature an adjustable waist for a comfortable fit. If you are looking for straightforward leg protection that doesn't cover your entire leg, these are a great choice for general yard work. What people say. These chaps are made of 1000D Oxford cloth, which is durable and water-resistant. The adjustable straps ensure a snug and comfortable fit for most waist sizes. They offer excellent protection against accidental cuts, providing peace of mind while operating a chainsaw. Number 4. Leather Welding Work Apron. Introducing our premium leather welding apron, designed for ultimate protection. It offers superior durability and comfort for all your welding tasks. Keep your essential tools within easy reach with 6 spacious pockets. Everything you need is organized and accessible right on your apron. Work with confidence knowing this apron is crafted from heat and flame-resistant leather. It provides a reliable barrier against sparks and high temperatures. This apron offers a generous coverage area of 24 by 36 inches. It ensures maximum protection for your body during demanding jobs. Designed for a perfect fit, it's adjustable to accommodate sizes from M to XXXL. Enjoy a comfortable and secure fit, no matter your build. Invest in quality that lasts. This apron is built with high-grade leather to withstand the toughest work environments, project after project. What we like. This apron is built for tough environments, offering excellent heat and flame resistance. With multiple tool pockets, you can keep your essentials close at hand. If you work with welding or other high-heat applications and need durable protection with convenient tool storage, this is the one for you. What people say. The chaps are made of 1000 denier nylon with a PVC coating, making them durable and water-resistant. They offer full leg coverage and are designed with adjustable straps for a secure and comfortable fit. The chaps feature a pocket on each leg for storing small tools or personal items. Number 3. Sharp Pebble Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. Introducing the Sharp Pebble Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit, designed to make your chainsaw maintenance a breeze. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a perfect sharpening experience. Our electric sharpener is incredibly easy to use, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional. The ergonomic design and angle guide ensure consistent results every time, saving you valuable time and effort. Achieve a razor-sharp finish with unparalleled accuracy. Unlike traditional files, this tool sharpens each tooth evenly, ensuring optimal performance and longevity for your chainsaw. Experience rapid sharpening with adjustable speed settings and a high-stability motor. This means a cleaner, more precise cut, saving you fuel and reducing wear on your equipment. A sharp chain is a safe chain. This sharpener not only enhances your safety by reducing the need to force the cut but also extends the life of your chainsaw engine by reducing strain. The kit comes complete with a 120V sharpener, angle guide, wrench, and 4 different grinding wheel sizes to accommodate all your chains. Plus, an ebook is included to guide you through the process. What we like. This electric sharpener provides a fast and precise way to maintain your chainsaw chain. It comes with an angle guide and ensures every tooth is sharpened uniformly. If you want to save time and effort compared to manual filing and ensure optimal cutting performance, this tool is ideal for both beginners and pros. What people say. The Chaps are made of 1000 denier nylon with a polyurethane coating, making them durable and water-resistant. They feature a full wrap design for maximum protection and adjustable straps for a secure fit. The Chaps are lightweight and breathable, ensuring comfort during extended use. Number 2. Notch Hi-vis Safety Orange Chainsaw Chaps. Introducing the Notch Hi-vis Safety Orange Chainsaw Chaps. Designed for maximum visibility and protection. These chaps offer type of frontal protection, ensuring your safety during operation. Featuring a 5-layer construction with chain-stopping protective fiber. This provides an advanced defense against chainsaw accidents. The bright, safety orange color enhances your visibility in any work environment. Stay seen, stay safe. Built for demanding tasks, these chaps offer reliable protection without compromising comfort. Work with confidence. What we like. Visibility is key with these Hi-vis orange chaps, ensuring you're seen in various conditions. They offer 5 layers of type of frontal protection to stop chains. If you prioritize safety through high visibility and need reliable frontal leg protection for logging or forestry work, these are an excellent option. What people say. The chaps are made of a durable material that has held up well against accidental cuts. They offer excellent protection and coverage, extending from the waist to the ankles. The adjustable straps ensure a snug and comfortable fit for various body types. Number 1. Chainsaw Chaps 8-Layer Protective Apron Wrap. Experience superior leg protection with our 8-layer technical material. These chaps are designed to significantly reduce the risk and severity of leg injuries by stopping a running chainsaw. Rest assured, our protective gear meets rigorous safety certifications. It complies with ASTM F3325-20, ASTM F1897-20, OSHA Regulation 1910-266, and NCZ 133.1 standards. Crafted from a robust 1000 denier Oxford polyester outer fabric, these chaps are built to last. They are perfectly suited for demanding forestry work. Enjoy comprehensive protection from waist to ankle. The 360-degree calf wrap offers an extra layer of safety where you need it most. Designed for a comfortable and secure fit, these chaps feature an adjustable waist up to 48 inches. The length can also be shortened by 2 inches for a customized fit. What we like. These chaps provide an impressive 8 layers of protective material for maximum safety. They are UL certified and offer a 360-degree calf wrap for comprehensive coverage. If you are a professional logger or forest worker who demands the highest level of leg protection and certification, these offer superior defense. What people say. The chaps are made of a durable material that offers good protection. They are adjustable to fit a range of waist sizes, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit. The design allows for freedom of movement, which is important when working with a chainsaw. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.